Once there was a very clever minister in a king's court. This minister had a solution for every problem, and the king did not make any big decision without asking him, because of this other people in the court were jealous of the minister. One day, the king told the minister, "You are very smart, but your son is very foolish and has no sense." The minister did not like this and asked, "Your Majesty, why are you saying this? Why do you think my son is foolish?" The king said, "Every morning when I go to meet the people your son is, there I ask him every day, what is more valuable, gold or silver? And every time your son says silver." Hearing this, everyone in the court started laughing, and the minister felt bad. Without saying anything, he went straight home and asked his son which metal is more valuable, gold or silver. The son quickly replied, "Father, gold." The minister then asked, "If you know that gold is valuable, why do you give the king the wrong answer every day and say silver is more valuable?" The son replied, "Father, every morning the king comes to the market to meet the people. Every day he calls me, places 2 coins in front of me, 1 silver and 1 gold, and asks me take the more valuable one. I pick the silver coin, and the king laughs and goes away." The minister then asked his son, "Why do you pick the silver coin every day today?" "Because of this, the whole court made fun of me." Hearing this, the son took his father to his room and opened a box. The box was full of silver coins. Seeing so many silver coins, the minister was surprised and asked, "How did you get so many silver coins?" The son replied, "Father, these are the coins that the king gives me. The day I give the king the right answer and take the gold coin, he will stop asking me this question, and I will stop getting a silver coin every day. The king enjoys it when I pick the silver coin and say that silver is more valuable than gold. He laughs and goes away without thinking too much. I don't want to lose my daily silver coin for 1 gold coin." Hearing this, the minister felt proud of his son and understood that even though people called his son foolish, his son's wisdom was something that only a wise person could understand. Now, whenever anyone called his son foolish, the minister would smile and leave friends. You may have noticed that some people do a little work and make a big show of it, while others do great things without showing off. If you know that what you're doing is right, then it doesn't matter if people call you foolish or crazy. The world often calls those it doesn't understand crazy. So if you want to share this story with more people, please like this video. I'll see you next time with another story like this. So be patient, be grateful, and keep moving forward in life.